Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to use voice chat on Roblox. So guys, first of all you have to enable it from privacy. Click on three dot, go to in settings, go to in privacy. Once you are in privacy, you have to scroll down and here in microphone you have to enable microphone permission from here by tapping on toggle button, this toggle button. Once you enable it, now you have to open any game to use Roblox that supports microphone as communication. So let's open any game. So let me see if this game supports microphone. Yeah, this game supports microphones. Let's open this game. Now guys, once you're in the game, now to enable voice chat, you just need to tap on or click on this mic icon over Avatar's head. As you can see, this mic icon, just tap on it to use voice chat, or you can also click on Roblox icon and click on mic from here as well to use Roblox. Now you can talk to anyone with your friend in the game. Like if you want to talk to anyone, you can go to near any player or any user and say anything to him. Fine. So yeah, that's how you can that's how you can use it. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.